What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to talk about all the growth that we had with Dogecoin today. So it was crazy. We started out going crazy today, but after we did dip, we are going right back up. So this is actually good news for Dogecoin. Like, we consolidated. Some people got some time to buy some dips, and everything's good. And that's kind of how it is with Dogecoin all the time. I knew we were going to have this dip, but this was a good dip though. But guess what? When we go all the way up to Saturday Night Live, right up to 11 p.m., like, this is when we're really going to start getting like market cap into Dogecoin. Like, leading right up into Saturday Night Live, people are going to be so hyped leading into Saturday Night Live. Just like, look at what we did from here. Like, we went all the way from 61 cents up. So like, think of what people are going to be doing when Saturday Night Live actually happens. They're actually going to want to put their money in so they can see something big happen. But as you can see, we are number 4 with the market cap here, and we are at $87.9 billion in market cap, $35.9 billion in the last 24 hours. But yeah, all's well with Dogecoin right now. Dogecoin is going to continue to rise here, and we see that we have really good levels here around 67 cents. And honestly, we were trying to break that 70 cents mark, but I definitely think we will. By the end of the day, we're going to definitely be all the way up there. But the real question is, what happens after Dogecoin reaches, Saturday Night Live? I think what happens after that is what we all know happens. Like, Dogecoin will dip huge, but then it will be a really big, jump back up, because people will be putting their money back in after they see a really big dip. And that's usually what people do. That's what the whales do, at least, because we know how these whales move. Like, they just now sold so much at 63 cents, which I don't know why they sold at 63 cents, because now that we look, we are like 67 cents. We did just now start 69 cents. So these whales, they don't really dictate everything that we do here in Doge. Some of it is dictated by the people, so you have to look at it like that too. They only dictate a small part of Doge. But even at this, they don't even know when to sell themselves. They're selling at 64 cents, buying at 64 cents. They're just doing a bunch of randomly calculated algorithms. They got bots or whatever, or people trading for them. These whales got someone doing that for them though. Something's going on there. But yeah, this is how we are moving with Doge though. We're going to continue to go up until then. We could do a really big dip again, but I don't see it happening, because I think that the hype is starting to build up really big right now. Like, look at this, trending in the United States, top trending Doge SNL. So yeah, Saturday Night Live is trending here, and Dogecoin to $1 is trending. So people are really seeing Dogecoin to $1 as something that is going to really happen in the future, and Dogecoin to the moon. So 3 trending things with Dogecoin inside of here. So yeah, Dogecoin to the moon, Dogecoin to $1, and we have Dogecoin Saturday Night Live. So yeah, we are continuing to trend up here. All we really need is another Elon Musk tweet. That would really help everybody, but we don't really need that. We just need people to hold Dogecoin. We need the whales to not sell off all the Dogecoin. But in all, I think we will reach 70 cents again, and after that, I don't know, we could go up huge, like all the way up to $1. But if we cannot break 70 cents again, if we cannot break 70 cents and then 75 cents, because we had previous resistance at 75 cents, if we can't break 75 cents, then we will go down huge. But I definitely do believe we will break 75 cents. We've done it before. I know we can do it again. But yeah, we could definitely do this, and Doge will be like, well, we haven't done it before. We almost done it. We were at 73 cents, I think it was. But yeah, we were almost there, but Doge will get there. We just need more and more buying inside of this. But yeah, after this, there's like 9 million people that watch the Saturday Night Live. So after Saturday Night Live, you can definitely bet there's going to be an uptrend inside of Doge. So the second we dip, we're going to go up way bigger, because so many people are going to be introduced to Doge. And remember, so many people are not going to be trading while watching. They're just going to be watching. And then there's also going to be like professionals watching and trading at the same time. So what you're going to see is this whole influx of all these purchases. Once it stops, like once the show stops, there's going to be a lot of purchases and sells. So we're going to see a lot of fluctuations during this. We're going to see ups and downs. It's going to be a crazy selling period and a crazy buying period, because it's crazy opportunities. So this is about to be crazy once this actually happens. The crazy part is that Doge Day 420 is way different than this, because this is more like, this is actual like planned. There's actually plans behind it, and we know that Elon Musk is about to tweet about it, so we know something's gonna happen. So this is way different than Doge Day, because Doge Day was just kind of, everybody making something up, saying Doge Day, Doge Day, Doge Day, which Doge Day is every day now. As we can see, Doge Day is going to continue to go on. But yeah, this is what we're doing for our little short-term charts here. But for our short-term chart, we are going to continue to rise on the trend. As we can see here, we're probably going to get right back up to 70 cents within the next few hours. I mean, it's 3:50 p.m. while I'm recording this, so I guess you can mark me on that, but maybe 70 cents in the next few hours, the next 4 hours maybe, but sometime around there. But yeah, I'm really optimistic with Doge myself. I think we're going to continue to get more market cap in Doge, and we're just trending so much on Doge. Even with Google, Doge is trending hard on here on Google. Let's look up Doge on Google Trends. No, spelled that wrong. Dogecoin. All right, let's see where we are going here with the Google Trends. We are still at the top for the trending here in Dogecoin. North Dakota is always trending with Dogecoin. Alaska, California. So yeah, it's not too late to invest, but it's not really too late, but it's kind of too late to get the 10x gains like at the moment, but not right now. Like over time, like long term, is not too late to get 10x gains. Over time, you can definitely get those kind of gains, but short term, you will not see those 10x gains. You will see like 30% gains from here, 40%, and that will bring us up to $1. But other than that, we already had so many gains with Doge that we're up 292%, 292,000% for the year, or I think of all time. I mean, 292,000 for all time, I believe. But yeah, it's some crazy number like that with Doge, because we were all the way down here when we first started. So yeah, Doge, people are becoming billionaires, millionaires, everything. But let's go over here and see what we have for this trend line. So yes, we're going to continue to go up here, and then right around here at the top, we're probably going to start doing some consolidation here, to where we're going to start going on a little trend like this, and then we're going to have a huge breakout, or we're going to have a huge dump. So that is how these trends go. Once it consolidates, either a huge breakout, a huge dump, either one of those are going to happen. Let me know in the comments what you think is going to happen, if you think that Doge is going to completely skyrocket or completely drop. But we know whatever it does, it's going to do it big time. It's all leading up to this one point right here, Saturday Night Live. As you can see, right around here is when the day will end, because we are looking at the 15-minute chart. If we looked at a shorter chart, it would show the day ending right around here. So all this growth we have between right now and this point right here. So yeah, this would be the next day on the chart officially. Or I can just draw this circle. Yeah, that would be the next day on the chart. So we could do anything right now, honestly. Like, we could continue to do some crazy stuff like this. We could be up here by then. We could go all the way down. And then once we break the trend line from there, anything could happen. If we go down, you can bet that we go down all the way down here to these support lines. But we would probably go down even further, honestly, maybe even 40 cents. But I think 50 cents would probably be the lowest that we would go down. But I don't really think that we're going to go down here. Honestly, I think we are going to go up. But I know we're going to go down, like, after we go up. But I'm saying we're going to have a huge jump up before we do this, because we all know where this is going to just dump and just sell off the second everything's over, and then they're going to buy right back in. It's how the whales do it. We've been watching the whales. We know exactly what they do. They buy in while it's really low, and they sell when it's really high, and they buy in once everyone sells out. And it's a constant cycle of whales taking people's monies. But yeah, that's how it goes. They just sold some more here, as you can see, always selling more. But they are buying more too, because they know how to make money off these little dips, and that's how these whales make their money. But yeah, we're about to make money the same way. We just got to know when to buy, when to sell. So whenever you see it peak, and whenever you see that it won't get past a resistance, then you might as well just sell it. But yeah, I think price target that we could look at, possibly 80 cents to 90 cents, and $1 if we're really lucky, like $1 if people are just going crazy for it. But yeah, 80 to 90 cents possibly, but $1 if they're going crazy for it. That would be my prediction for it. But honestly, we know it's going to go up, but we also know it's going to go down. So when it goes down, we need that prediction too. So when we go down, that prediction would be a 52 cent, support line. When we go all the way down, remember, when we do go up, that's going to be a lot of people buying in, and it could possibly hit $1. But if it hits $1, it would definitely go all the way back down to like 50 cents. Either way, it's going down to 50 cents. Either way, it's going to hit at least 80 cents. So that is how I'm looking at it. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing with Dogecoin. I'm still in on Dogecoin, holding it to the moon because I started off way at 6 cents. So I'm not really worried about Dogecoin right now. But we already know Elon Musk is going to do something big over here. Something big is going to happen. Like, what if Jeff Bezos announces that he is now big on Dogecoin? That would actually help Dogecoin a lot. I've been hearing people talk about Jeff Bezos and Dogecoin. Maybe he will like reveal that he's a Dogecoin holder or something like that. I don't know, but he hasn't posted on Twitter in a while, so that's probably not true. But what is true is that we have Dogecoin to $1 trending on Twitter and everywhere else. Dogecoin is only falling a little bit right now, but I would not be worried, honestly. Dogecoin is continuing to rise, and so many people are making money with Dogecoin. I've made so many profits with Dogecoin. I've took out so many different Dogecoin profits and left some in. But it's all about making sure you don't lose more than what you're willing to lose, and making sure that you're not gambling your life savings away. That's what you really need to make sure you do when you're dealing with Dogecoin here, because you don't want to lose everything all on a meme coin. And Dogecoin is a meme coin, but it is a good meme coin. It is the currency of Mars. And hopefully we actually get Elon Musk pulling this off, bringing this as Dogecoin to Mars, Dogecoin to the moon, actually putting Dogecoin on the moon, or actually bringing the Dogecoin to Mars. That'd be pretty funny if he actually did that. But it would also help the price. I think long term we can definitely see that Dogecoin will hit $1, $5 possibly in about a year or two, and then $10, maybe a few years out, give it about $10. But yeah, Dogecoin has potential here. We just need more market cap, and as we see, more money is being printed inside the economy every year, and it's not just America printing more money into the economy, it's other countries too. So more money is getting printed into crypto all over the world, and now India is starting to do the whole Doge frenzy thing, so they're going crazy over Doge in India, crazy over crypto all together. So now we have like international and global currency here. So yeah, we are doing really big things here with Doge, and I would not be surprised to see it hit $1, and I would also not be surprised to see it hit 50 cents. So just be wary of that. Elon Musk gave his warning out to everyone. We already seen this, but I guess we can go over there again to look at that warning. He did say over here is where did he say that? Cryptocurrency is promising, but please invest with caution. So that's what everyone needs to remember about Doge. Invest with caution. You can't just go invest your whole life savings expecting to make something and then get mad at someone else because you didn't make it. It just doesn't work like that. So definitely only invest what you're willing to lose. Don't get mad at other people if you lose money, because it is your choice to invest in Doge if you want or not. I'm investing in it personally, but that is me personally, and I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. I'm just investing in Doge personally. It's something that I do, but I definitely think Doge can help everyone get out of a bad spot right now. Look at this Doge meme right here. People are just so in on the meme. There's the people literally buying this $3,000 dog just so they can be in on the meme. So this is kind of what we have right now going on. So yeah, dog breeding is probably going up now with Doge on the rise. So the cnbc is definitely going to be the number one breeding dog right now, hands down. But yeah, take your Doge to the vet. And as you can see, there is a lot of different Dogecoin memes here. But yeah, this is just a little Dogecoin update of what we're doing here on Dogecoin. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the link in the description for a free stock with the Robinhood and Webull. And I'll be back with another video.